Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2011 Physics Past Question 6. An object of mass 2 kg moves with a velocity of 10 meters per second round a circle of radius 4 meters. Calculate the centripetal force on the object. A. 50 Newton, B. 40 Newton, C. 25 Newton, D. 100 Newton. So we are asked to calculate the centripetal force of an object. Now the formula for centripetal force, F is equal to mv squared over r. So m, of course, which is the mass of the object, is given 2 multiplied by v, which is velocity, 10 square, over r, which is the radius of the circular path, so that is 4 meters, and this is equal to 10 square is 100, so 100 multiplied by 2 is equal to 200 over 4. So 200 over 4 is equal to 50 Newton. 50 Newton is option A. So option A is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.